Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can blur the background of your photo using Canva. And there are two easy methods to do that. Now, I have this picture that I got from the Canva library. Now, to be honest, this picture actually has quite nice bokeh slash blurry effect in the background. But that's okay because I'm going to just demonstrate how you can make the blurry effect even stronger. So for the first method, what you need to do is you have to click on the image, right click on it and select duplicate. We have the same image, we have this background and the foreground image. Now let's focus on the foreground image, click on it, go to image and select background remover. Now this picture is only available in the premium version, so make sure you are using that version. And after that, let's click on the background and click edit image again. On the effect section, select blur, and then you want to apply the blurry effect to the whole image, and then you can adjust the intensity of the blurry effect. You can make it as much as you want, but I think 70% is about right. And when you're done, you click here. Now the next task is to just overlap this picture, this object, into the middle, precisely overlapping the background image. And this is the result that we are going to get. Is it pretty? Maybe, but I personally don't like this method. So instead, I do recommend the second method, which is going to be using AI, and I think the result is a bit better compared to this one. So let me undo the action. Okay, now we have this image again. Click on it, edit image. And on the effect section, you can open the autofocus menu right here. And then here, you want to adjust the focus position. You want to make sure that you are focusing on the person of the image. So you have to make sure the purple area is covering that person. I think this is just about right. And after that, you can adjust the blur intensity. You see that if you set it to 0, it's going to back to normal, but if you set it to maximum, you'll see everything is blurry. But notice that the area of the front is also kind of blurry because that's pretty much how the autofocus technique works. So you have to be aware with that. I think 60-70% is probably just about right. And when you're done, here, and we got the result. So that's how you can blur the background of a photo using Canva. I hope you find this video helpful.